It's our Robarista we are showing here for presenting our research results for the public and also for the community, because everyone knows coffee and likes coffee, and we use the opportunity to show our research we developed over the few years by this representation.
Yeah, we use concept like plug and produce to integrate our things. So every component, for example, the grippers, the robot has a self-description. We use this to integrate our process, and we have a skill approach. So we use skills, for example, grinding the coffee is a skill that is implemented and it's independent from the actual gripper. So only with the description we can say what task we use. Yeah, you can not just make coffee with this architecture, you can also use it for industrial settings. So actually the first step was to make industrial processes, and then we decided we drink a lot of coffee, so let's make coffee with the robot.